Am I the only one that didn't know how tough relationships can be? You're blending two lives, two sets of expectations, two histories. It's a lot. That's where couples therapy comes in. It's not about admitting defeat. It's about taking charge and saying, we want this to work, and we're willing to put in the effort. Couples therapy is a safe space, a judgment-free zone where you and your partner can dive deep into the issues causing friction. Whether it's communication breakdowns, constant arguments, or a sense of growing apart, a trained therapist can provide the tools and guidance to navigate those challenges. In this video, we're going to break down the incredible benefits of couples therapy and how it can help you build a stronger, more fulfilling relationship. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on building a healthy relationship. Let's be honest, folks. Communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship. But sometimes we forget how to truly hear each other. We interrupt, we get defensive, we shut down. Couples therapy helps you hit the reset button on communication. One of the most valuable things you'll learn is active listening. This isn't just about being quiet while the other person talks. It's about truly absorbing what they're saying and validating their feelings. You'll also learn how to express your own needs and feelings in a healthy, constructive way, using I statements instead of blaming you messages. When you commit to truly hearing and understanding each other, you open the door to a deeper, more connected relationship. Disagreements are a normal part of any relationship. It's how you handle those disagreements that makes all the difference. Couples therapy gives you the tools to fight fair and resolve conflicts constructively. You'll learn to identify those unhealthy patterns you fall into during arguments, the yelling, the name-calling, the shutting down. A therapist will help you recognize your own conflict style and teach you how to communicate your needs without resorting to those destructive behaviors. Remember, the goal isn't to win the argument, it's to find a solution that works for both of you. Conflict, when handled correctly, can actually strengthen your bond. Life gets busy, routines set in, and sometimes, without even realizing it, we start taking our partners for granted. Couples therapy helps you hit the pause button and reconnect on a deeper level. You'll learn to create a safe space for vulnerability, where you can share your deepest fears, insecurities, and dreams with each other without judgment. This process of opening up and truly seeing each other again can reignite that spark and deepen your emotional bond. It's about making time for each other, prioritizing your relationship, and never losing sight of the importance of emotional intimacy. Look, there's no sugarcoating it. Betrayal can shatter the foundation of a relationship. Whether it's infidelity, dishonesty, or a breach of confidence, rebuilding trust is a long and difficult process, but it is possible. Couples therapy provides a safe and structured environment for couples to address the pain and anger caused by the betrayal. It's about understanding what led to the breach of trust, taking responsibility for actions, and committing to rebuilding the relationship brick by brick. Forgiveness is a crucial part of the healing process. But remember, forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or condoning the behavior. With the guidance of a skilled therapist, couples can navigate this challenging terrain and emerge stronger on the other side. At the end of the day, we all want to be in happy, fulfilling relationships, right? Couples therapy isn't just about fixing problems. It's about investing in your happiness as a couple. By addressing the underlying issues that are causing friction and learning healthy communication and conflict resolution skills, couples can significantly improve their overall relationship satisfaction. You'll start to notice a difference in the way you interact with each other. There's less arguing, more understanding, and a renewed sense of appreciation for your partner. The rewards, a loving, supportive, and fulfilling relationship, are well worth the investment. Here's the thing about couples therapy. It's not just about improving your relationship, it's about personal growth as well. As you learn to communicate more effectively, manage conflict constructively, and understand your own needs and triggers, you become a better partner, but you also become a better version of yourself. You'll gain valuable insights into your own behavior patterns, attachment styles, and emotional triggers. This increased self-awareness can have a ripple effect on other areas of your life, improving your relationships with family, friends, and even colleagues. And couples therapy can be a powerful catalyst for that growth. You know what they say, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Couples therapy isn't just for couples in crisis, it's also a valuable tool for preventative maintenance. Think of it like going to the dentist for regular checkups. Regular therapy sessions can help you maintain a healthy relationship dynamic, address potential issues before they escalate, and strengthen your bond. It's about investing in the long-term health of your relationship and making sure you have the tools and skills to navigate the inevitable challenges that life throws your way. You ever feel like you're speaking different languages? Like your partner just doesn't get you, no matter how hard you try to explain yourself? Persistent communication problems are a major red flag in a relationship. It's not just about disagreeing, it's about feeling unheard, misunderstood, and emotionally disconnected. If you're constantly arguing, shutting down, or avoiding difficult conversations altogether, it might be time to seek professional help. Couples therapy can teach you how to communicate effectively, using active listening skills, I statements, and other techniques to bridge the communication gap. Don't let your communication wither on the vine. We've all been there, stuck in that same argument, going around and around in circles, getting nowhere. If you find yourselves having the same fights over and over again, it's a sign that there are deeper issues that need to be addressed. Couples therapy can help you identify the root cause of these recurring conflicts, break free from those unhealthy patterns, and develop new, more constructive ways of resolving disagreements. It's about understanding each other's triggers, communicating your needs effectively, and finding compromise. Conflict doesn't have to be a negative thing. It can be an opportunity for growth and deeper understanding. Remember that feeling of being deeply connected to your partner, of being on the same wavelength, of feeling seen and understood. When emotional distance creeps in, it can feel like you're drifting further and further apart. Couples therapy can help you bridge that gap and rediscover that sense of closeness and intimacy. It's about identifying the underlying issues that are creating the distance, communicating your needs and feelings, and making a conscious effort to reconnect. Emotional intimacy is like a muscle. It needs to be exercised regularly to stay strong. Look, betrayal can rock a relationship to its core. It's a deeply painful experience that can leave you feeling lost, hurt, and unsure of what to do next. If trust has been broken in your relationship, whether through infidelity, dishonesty, or any other form of betrayal, couples therapy can provide a safe and supportive space to begin the healing process. It's about acknowledging the pain, processing the betrayal, and deciding whether or not you want to rebuild the relationship. With the guidance of a skilled therapist, it is possible to navigate this challenging terrain and emerge stronger on the other side. Life is full of transitions: marriage, parenthood, career changes, relocation, empty nest syndrome. These transitions can be exciting and fulfilling, but they can also put a strain on your relationship. Couples therapy can provide you with the tools and support you need to navigate these transitions successfully, maintain a strong and healthy relationship, and come out stronger on the other side. It's about adjusting to new roles, communicating effectively, and supporting each other through the ups and downs. By facing life's challenges as a team, you can turn potential stresses into opportunities for growth and deeper connection. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, relationships reach a point where we're faced with a heart-wrenching decision. Do we stay or do we go? If you're considering separation or divorce, couples therapy can provide a safe and supportive space to explore your options, process your emotions, and make an informed decision about the future of your relationship. It's about understanding the underlying issues that are driving you apart, exploring whether reconciliation is possible, and developing a plan for moving forward, whether together or separately. There's no shame in seeking professional help to navigate this difficult decision. A therapist can provide you with the clarity, support, and guidance you need to make the best choice for yourself and your family. Here's the thing about relationships. They require effort. Just like a car needs regular maintenance to run smoothly, Relationships need attention and care to thrive. Couples therapy isn't just for couples in crisis. It's for anyone who wants to invest in the long-term health and happiness of their relationship. Even the strongest relationships can benefit from a little tune-up every now and then. Look, we've covered a lot of ground today, but the message is simple. Couples therapy works. It's not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of strength, a commitment to fighting for your relationship and building a future together. Whether you're facing communication breakdowns, struggling to resolve conflicts, or simply want to deepen your connection, couples therapy can provide the support and guidance you need to thrive as a couple. There are trained professionals who want to help you unlock the full potential of your love. Take that first step, reach out for help, and start building the strong, loving, and fulfilling relationship you deserve.